Advertising is an interesting one. Well, we've just done Google Ads. So on Google Ads, you do not need to know your customers, certainly not your psychographics of your customers, and you really only need to know very, very minimal amounts of their demographics, i.e. where they live, to target them, because you target them with search terms, not with demographics and psychographics. Which is why Google AdWords, Bing, and those tier 1 search platforms are the beginners advertising platforms that I suggest. Google, Bing, Amazon PPC, they're your beginners ones. So you don't need it for that, but you do need it for, what's this? Yes, this will do. You do need it for Facebook. And the reason that you need it for Facebook is because Facebook builds its advertising targeting based upon the likes and dislikes of Facebook customers, and also the things that they post as well. So it looks at all that information, and then it uses that information to deliver relevant ads to them. So you do need it for that, which is why, by the way, I have you build out your social media way ahead of time so you can start to use that information ready for when you launch your product. So if we look for instance at let's just get rid of United States and instead do Australia. And then if we did like Aussie online entrepreneurs even, that'll do. Then I can start mapping out what folks who like the Aussie online entrepreneurs also like. So you can see they like Mr. Shiny Teeth at Reliable Education. I shouldn't be so mean. He's a nice guy, actually. Freedom 360, so that's Sophie and those guys. Australian Importing Club, that's Brendan. King Kong Co., that's a big internet company. Yada, yada, yada. Knowledge Source, they do Dimphna Bolt. Web Profits, Success Resources, that's Tony Robbins. Yada, 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 yada. So I can get all that. I suppose you wouldn't really call it psychographic information, but it's the information I need to run ads on Facebook. And then I can get my demographic information here. I can get my location information here. And I can get my activity based on, so I can get all the information I need to run ads and find more people for the Aussie online entrepreneurs. And that's why I have you do that for your business on Amazon, because this is how you find people that way. So that gives you a lot of very good information that way that you can use. So Dave, there is some other things as well. And what else can I tell you about that? Oh, I could tell you that if I was going to want to get some good content as well, let's just do that. Buzzsumo, there we go. Then let's supposing that I'm in kitchen gadgets, that'll do. Kitchen gadgets, buzzsumo.com. Oops, be handy if I actually spelt that correct. Then you can find the stuff online that's being shared the most, and you can use this to then create your own content for your Facebook page that is more likely to be shared. So I use Buzzsumo all the time. So if I go here, look, open up in a new window, let's go and have a look. So this got shared heaps, look. On Pinterest, it got 38,000 shares. So if I'm doing Pinterest ads, this is super cool. I could put together a post similar to this. Ooh, a banana slicer. Wow, gosh, isn't that a crazy thing? I could put together a post similar to this for my particular thing and products that would get shared heaps too. Hope that helps. Buzzsumo's great. You don't get heaps, look, but for free, you get all the good stuff. You get the top ones, which really, who cares about everything else? Here's the one that got shared really, really well on Facebook, 27,000, 28,000, buzzsumo.com, Dave. So I use that too all the time.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.